Hello my friends, and welcome back to our channel. Home is where our heart is. My name is Dane, author of the series of books Knowledge to Forage. I hope you're having a beautiful day wherever you are in the world, and it's good to see you all again. I'm out today, absolutely blessed to be doing my most favourite thing in the world, wandering through the countryside, and today I'm out harvesting elderberries. Elderberries, an amazing late summer fruit. The elderflowers that come in the beginning of summer transform and swell up into these little black, red, purple berries, and they make a great addition to many recipes, and they're also packed with medicinal properties too. So if you're interested, then come with me and let's dive into the world of the elderberries. Now, elderberries are a late summer's fruit. They come from the elderflowers that at the beginning of summer bloom, smell lovely. Then flowers are also edible and you can make them into cordials and things like that. These flowers, as summer progresses and it heats up, they transform into these little, almost black berries. But when you squeeze them, you see they're kind of red. Now, these berries are edible, but you should really cook them before you eat them. But you can get away with eating one or two just to have a little taste of that flavour whilst you're out in the wild. Now, of course, if you want to welcome the joys of the elderberries into your life, firstly, you need to know that they grow on the elder tree, Sambucus nigra, if you want to be all botanical and Latinal. They grow on the elder tree, which can be found across Europe and America. It's a very common tree across the world, and it's super easy to identify because its bark is super unique. It's squishy like cork and light brown, and of course, the elderberries themselves, just like the elderflowers, grow in clusters and they dangle heavy down, and the green stem is kind of turned from green, which it was with the elderflowers, into this purpley red colour, where all this magical miracle and goodness has all come along and down and created the elderberries. Now, elderberries, they taste delicious. They taste like elderberries. I can't really describe their flavour. Not like a blackberry, not like an apple, somewhere in between. They're their own special flavour, and they make a great addition to jams. We like to add elderberries to our hedgerow jam, which is blackberries, apples and elderberries. And of course, most famously of all, elderberries are infused with honey to make elderberry syrup. Now, this is done for two reasons. One, because it tastes amazing, and secondly, because this infuses all the medicinal properties of elderberries into the honey. And it's the medicinal properties that are the true blessing to our world when it comes to elderberries, because yes, they taste fantastic, but these medicinal properties are very potent. Elderberry syrup has been used for thousands of years. These berries infused with honey has been used traditionally as an immune system booster, and it was drunk and given to adults and children and the elderly to help them recover from colds, flus and fevers, all them types of illnesses where we need a good health boost. Now, these traditional uses of the elderberry were proven true when science dived into the world of the elderberry, and they found that it was in fact so boosting of the immune system that you could use elderberries as a natural alternative to antibiotics. How incredible is that? This is a natural antibiotic growing on a tree. Now, the scientific community sent out letters across the scientific world saying we should be prescribing elderberry syrup instead of antibiotics, to use the natural remedy first before we use these stronger medicines, because it could be a way to stop the immunity to antibiotics being built up by the nations across the world. Did the pharmaceutical industry hear that call? I don't think it did. But it doesn't matter, because we can all make our own elderberry syrup at home. Now, I'm not a modern medicine world hater, a modern world medicine hater. Antibiotics play a role in our world, but if we can get healed by some berries on the trees before we take these stronger medicines, then what's the harm in that? Now, not only are they medicinal and packed full of them healing properties, they do also have a nice nutritional value too, packed full of vitamin C, B6 and iron, and of course, they grow in absolute abundance. This meadow is filled with tons and tons of elderberries, and this can help support our life. And of course, don't empty the entire tree too, because these support the birds as well, and the birds need this natural healing remedy themselves. So that's it, the elegant elderberries. Now I've got a longer video on the elder tree itself when it's covered in elderflowers. Make sure to check that one out. We've got a video on how to make elderberry syrup, the traditional honey recipe. And we've also got a video on to make our hedgerow jam, where elderberries is one of the main ingredients. Of course, don't forget to do all their modern world things, such as like, comment and subscribe, because that helps our channel grow, so our nature-inspired education can spread across the land. And if you want to own all the knowledge just like this on elderberries and elderflowers and many, many more recipes, plant trees, then check out our series of books, Knowledge to Forage. But most importantly of all, above all else, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you all next time. Peace. The elder tree, one of the most magical trees to see, with its beautiful fragrant elderflowers that transform into elderberries, unique to all other trees in its own special way. They say that if you smell the elderflowers on the breeze, it's officially a summer's day.